इस पे pedagogical concept for technical innovations to enhance the technical innovations of teachers. So this pedagogical concept, how we will put creativity and technology into lesson plan. Search bar पे you have to type Adobe Express या Adobe Express, and it was another name Adobe Sprint. That's also correct only. So Adobe Express is, when you open, you will get this kind of platform. You will not get this kind of platform actually. You have to log in. You have to log in using your Google ID या फिर email ID sign up कर लीजिए. And it is not ultimate free software. There is a premium version also. So initially this free software we can use. If we are well versed with Adobe Express, we can switch over to the paid version, premium version. So for what all purposes we can use Adobe Express? As I said, it is a combined software. Using Adobe Express, you can create presentation, you can create YouTube videos, you can create worksheets, you can create PPTs, you can create posters, you can create invitation letters, you can create posters for your poster for your YouTube video. Okay. So Adobe Express is a combined platform. Okay. So all the things explaining will not be done today. I'll explain the things which are, that is generative AI. Okay. Using generative AI, these are the things under accelerate creativity using generative AI. The first thing is text to image. You can type a text as like you want. Okay? Whatever description, upon any description you give, it will create a text or image. What is the advantage of creating an image using a text? One thing is search time. You will be escaped from the search time. Many times we will type in Google and search. We will not get an adequate image. And second is its copyright issues. When you download, it will have some other prints indicating it is a copyrighted image. So in Adobe Express, everything is free. You don't have copyright issues. If you want to create a poster for Independence Day, you type the Indian Independence Day Celebration 2024 poster. It will create automatically. So that is the first thing, text to image. Second is generative fill. Upload an image to start. You can see that. If I hover the mouse over the screen, the image vanishes and image comes. So you upload an image, and if you want to remove something from the backgrounds and all, you can mark that things that will be vanished. And also if you want to add something to the image, that also can be done. Okay. And the image you have created using the test prompt also can be included in this. So everything is connected. So next one is text to template. So immediately you wanted to create a poster, a flex for some function. Okay. Immediately. Okay. One night before the function, you can type the prompt here. It will automatically generate. Not only one, you will get many suggestions, and you can improve your suggestions and give as much as prompt as you want. You will create as much as posters you can have, and nothing have copyright issues, and every item on the poster is editable. That is the other thing. Every item is editable. Text you can remove, the background you can remove, you can add. So posters, सब करके is free or trial is that. Otherwise it goes.
Worksheet question paper also.
Everything.
That was 30 days will be.
Next is text effect. Text effect means if you want to print something in flowers arrange किया हुआ ऐसे आपको अल्फाबेट आना है. You can type that. देखो अभी जो prompt इधर दिखाया है liquid mercury में लिखिए ऐसे है. Liquid mercury में the letters are appearing in the form of liquid mercury, floating mercury. So whatever prompt you write, that type of letters, text you will get. And you can include this text in your PPT, in your video, and text is also animatable. You can add this animations to the text. It will run, it will fly, anything. Okay. So we'll go and move to the first one. Here the prompt is already given, an iced latte floating in the bright blue sky on a cloud. That is what it is created. Okay. Like that, we will also try this one. A shoe with LED lights on the sole. It will take some time and generate images.
Money we will generate, then we keep it on the PC and we
Everything you generate will appear on your stuff. You can anytime from anywhere log in into this account and take it. You can download
It will be
it.
every
आप
time.
डाउनलोड कर सकते हो JPG में BNG में आप डाउनलोड करके सेव कर सकते हो. That also is possible.
Where is the option for downloading?
Here.
Okay.
Okay. You can click and download. So many options are there. And this is editable. आप इसको अगर कोई बैकग्राउंड में चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो वो चेंज कर सकते हैं. मतलब हम इसमें फोटो एडिट करते हैं ना, थोड़ा ब्राइट करते हैं, थोड़ा लाइट करते हैं, दैट इज द और ट्रांजिशन. तो इसमें रिजल्ट में देखिए आपको 4 ही है, तो और चाहिए तो जनरेट मोर बोल दीजिए, वो थकेगा नहीं और बना देगी. ठीक है. तो यू कैन मेक AI जनरेट दिस काइंड ऑफ इमेजेस एज यू वांट, एज यू विल गेट सैटिस्फाइड. ठीक है. और select that and put into your video, your presentations, your posters, anywhere you can install it, because everything you create will appear in the your stuff. Okay. So that's that. Then we'll go back to there is another option, upload an image and you can add things over the image also. I can upload my own image, then I can prompt the AI to add some more elements. That also there. Next is generative AI to make whatever you imagine. ठीक है. आप जो टाइप करेंगे वो आ जाएंगे. If I type flower, it will create flower. And I can mark wherever I want the flower. ठीक है. As well as I can mark the area from where something to be disappeared. So if I type flower here.
But any flower.
Any flower. That is it. And you can prompt to know. Lily flower दिखिए. Lily only.
Lily में बहुत सारा hibiscus.
देखो. अभी साइज आ रहा है. देखो.
Same size.
Flower एक ही है.
मैम रोज किया ना, रोज कर दे.
अब flower ही है.
ओ ऑप्शन ज्यादा आ गए.
हाँ. It's running, so it.
So much of search करते हो.
So for this we need internet speed
हाँ.
on the spot सिखाने के लिए.
एक्टिव होते ही ब्रश अपीयर होगा. अभी ब्रश नहीं आया है, मतलब ये एक्टिव नहीं है.
Internet speaker से कम
इंटरनेट स्पीड मैटर्स. फिर सर्वर भी मैनेज करता है.
Previously, the photographers they used to delete a person's photo. So what they used to do?
That is another software.
Oh, that
Adobe
is
का ही है
Photoshop.
Photoshop.
That
You
is
can delete a person.
कलर ये
को merge कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा मेरे जो PPT है वो भी merge कर सकते हैं.
आपके पास यूर स्टफ में जो है तो ऑलरेडी उसको भी
PPTs will get to videos also. Videos and text.
वीडियोस.
As the world pushes more new areas of the reef, they discover a hidden, beautiful part of the reef that no one had seen before. Never knew this part of the reef existed. Maybe I was wrong to be so intuitive. You have shown me that being brave and